Hello viewers, I'm Alisha Fernandes and welcome to my new video. So in today's particular video, I am heading towards a beautiful bridge. It is known as the Atal Sethu. Yes, we are going to Atal Sethu. I'm all set, heading towards this beautiful place, which we're going to, it's actually a bridge, so we cannot stop there, but we can definitely explore it and enjoy the beautiful view that we get on the either side of the bridge. Being recently inaugurated, it is the top favorites of everyone. I especially love this particular bridge, and I have seen this bridge being built, so I have that very close connection with this bridge, and that's the reason why I decided that I should do and include this particular bridge in my vlog. So what's the delay? Let's head and explore the beautiful Atal Sethu. The best part about this particular bridge is that we are going to cover almost a length of 5.1 kilometers, and at the same time we are going to get a beautiful view because it's at the height. It's the third longest cable bridge in India, and we're privileged enough to have it in Goa. Okay, so we were heading from Majestic to Porvorim, and that's when we have shot this particular video. And we got to see the beautiful 100 meters flag. There's a beautiful story attached to the 100 meters flag, which I will definitely share with you in my coming videos. And yes, this is one of the most beautiful bridges that I have encountered, and most importantly, if you come to Goa, do visit this particular bridge because this bridge gives you an amazing view of the Panjim city and Old Goa city on the either sides. Working towards giving your best content, so if you have any feedback, if you want us to visit any particular place, do let me know. I will definitely try and give more time to this vlogs, new thing that I'm coming up with. And yes, this was it in this particular vlog of being Allycaral, Alisha Fernandes. Do let me know about what you feel about this particular video. In the comment section, you can like, comment and share, and at the same time there's a subscribe button. Where is the subscribe button? There it is. We had a lovely time exploring this bridge. I hope you all had a lovely time going through it as well. Well, this was the view of how it looked during the day. At night it looks even more beautiful, and we have visuals of the bridge at night as well. So here it is. We are leaving you with these visuals, and yes, take care, goodbye, and I'll be back soon.